Hello, everyone. I will start by introducing myself. I am the tutor that I'm going to teach you this course, what we call the Forex trading, the master class of our Forex trading. My name is Musa Babasani. I am from Kano State, Nigeria. You know, Nigeria is in Africa. If you're not in Africa, if you don't know where Nigeria is in Africa, right? Yeah. All right. So after that, Kano is part of northern Nigeria. It's one of the largest speaking Hausa city in Africa. So apart from that, for me, I came from Kano and I learned how to trade Forex trading, and I am sharing this concept with you that you are going to learn a step-by-step guide from me on how to scale off your skills as a Forex trader. What do we mean by Forex trading? So let's imagine that you don't know anything about Forex trading. You are just a newbie in this industry, the financial market. So Forex trading is an exchange of a country money to another country money. Let's assume you are from United States and I am from South Korea. So you are traveling from United States to South Korea. So you change your dollar to South Korean, whatever currency it is, you change it, then that is what we call the Forex trading, like the international trade between a country money and another country money. Like you are trading Euro USD. What we call by Euro USD, the European money and the United States dollar. So if this increase above this, if Euro increase above dollar, then you are in profit when you are buying the one that is increasing. I hope you get me. So this is the basic concept of Forex trading. And also in this Forex trading, we bring something that we are going to learn after what we call the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. The technical analysis, we are talking about an analysis where you are going to analyze the whole market trend, what we call the market chart. If you analyze the market chart, you find out that like something is going up like this or is going down like this. So this is what you call the chart. This chart is comprised of what we call the candlestick. A candlestick, we explain it step by step in our video, in our course, in your lesson that you are about to enter. So this course will teach you how to understand the basic concept of the candlestick, and also it will teach you how you can be able to identify the market trend, where to buy and where to sell, all in this concept, all in this course. And also we have a simple strategy that we call 1 minute time strategy. In this 1 minute time strategy, if you are a Nigerian, you know what we call Naira. In each and every single 1 minute, you are going to get 50 Naira in each minute. This 50 Naira, it's equivalent to like 0.0, let's say 20 cents in dollar. So when you add this up, in a day, you can make like $1, $2, $3, $5 or above, depends on the money you are trading. And also, apart from this trend we are trending in our course, we also have another concept that we call $10 roadmap to $1,000 in 50 days. We will teach you and guide you how you can deposit $10, just $10, to trade that $10 and gain $1,000 within 50 days. So we teach you this. It's not because that you cannot make $1,000 in a single day or 2 or 3 days. No, it's not that, but it's hardly you can make that, because we are teaching you how to be a good risk manager, a good money manager. So that's why we are teaching you this concept. So this is an overview of our course, and this is an overview of what you are going to gain in the course. At the end of this course, you will learn and understand how to make money in Forex trading. And I am very sure you will make money in Forex trading. Money that is called money, not just money. No, money. You will make money in Forex trading. So thank you. If you have any question, you can hit me up through my community, the Telegram community, or you can just message me through WhatsApp or any other platform that you can find that I am in, and you can message me. So thank you.